Wednesday morning, June 25th, taking a look here at a 15-minute chart of the ES. I'm looking at the Cosmo indicator, and I also have the Astro Excel on the bottom, which I have squeezed down for this video. I want to show something on the Cosmo today. We've got the two-line pattern on the chart, which is the green line and the blue line. Notice how the two patterns are inverted. And we also have a gray line on the chart, which is kind of a composite line. And I want to show what the peaks and valleys look like on that gray line. So I'm going to white out the green and blue line, basically, so we're only going to look at the one line. But the other line, the other two lines, the blue and green line, give us pivots and will also give us direction. I've done other videos showing that, so I'm not going to do that here. I'm just going to concentrate on the gray line here. So now I've taken the green line and blue line and made them transparent, so we're only looking at the gray line. And I just want to mark out some of the more significant peaks and valleys on here. And you can see the change of energy that we get at those points. We get the reversals, or in the case here on the 24th, we got the breakout as the energy was shifting. But here we had a peak high to a low. It was a low in the market here. This high here I didn't mark. That was a low. Next one here, a breakout. This next significant low on the gray line was a high on the chart. Next we had a low here, which was the end of that down move. Got this big move moving up to the next spike bottom. Came into the area of the high here. Next day, this low was a high here. The trend was down into the pivot peak where it stopped the momentum and reversed the market back up. Now here's a case where you have these tight peaks closer together, and here's what it looks like. You get this choppy back and forth zigzagging market through that area. And then we had this high, which is where we currently are right now. You can see that that arrested the upward momentum, which was pretty sharp. And all of a sudden now that market has started to go sideways. Now we've got this big peak here, which is the highest peak on the chart in the last few days. And that's coming in about 9:20 this morning. So that's going to be an important potential turning point. The Cosmo green line and blue line are also peaking at that point. And then that next pivot after that's going to be about 10:11 as that gray line moves down and reverses at that point in time. So this gray line indicator is quite nice, can give you good indications on a 15-minute chart. You can do some short-term option swings. They're intraday option trades off of these levels.